I need to fix my chair, but my dog is behind me. Okay, good. He didn't wake up. Hello everyone, this is Kristen. So in today's video, I am going to be doing my eye makeup for work. You will likely see this video though on the day I come home from work, just the way I have stuff set up currently. So I thought I would take this palette, this Natasha Denona Jubilee palette, and do an eye look for work. I put my P. Louise base on. I kind of did my eyebrows. I used this NYX Lift and Snatch brow tint pen in taupe. I don't know how to say it. So I just figured we'd do a work appropriate look here using I guess these colors right here. I thought about maybe doing the blue, but then I'm like, I don't know how light I could possibly get that, so I'm not going to do that today. Maybe another day when I'm home. So, but yeah, I'm going to probably use these three colors right here. So, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these brushes that I used the last time I used this palette. So I'm going to take this bigger, fluffier one. This is the Moda crease brush. And actually, I think I'm just going to do pink, and then I'm going to do like the yellow over it, just like dusting it, basically. So yeah, I already primed my eyes. We're good to go on that. Yeah, I'm just going to take this pink, do something a little different, that's all. And I'm just going to put this all over my lid. Maybe I should have used a smaller brush, but that is okay. I can blend it. I can blend it out, yeah. Since we're over here, I'll just take whatever's left. Okay. So yes, going to work. So I will have this work trip. I will have to do one more work trip, and then I will be on vacation again. Lots of vacation this month, apparently. Okay, so I'm just gonna... I haven't dipped back in. I'm just blending this up and out. That's all I'm doing. Super simple work look out of the Natasha Denona Jubilee Palette. For my hooded eyes. Oh my gosh, I still want to get that surgery so bad. My other video is done. Okay, so dipping into there, and now we're just gonna do the same thing on my other eye. Super simple work look. I might even take this one to work with me. I think I have the ColourPop Bambi palette in my work bag right now. Oh man, I'm hearing rumors, people saying, oh, by maybe September we won't have to wear masks anymore. I tell you, we're having problems already with people on the train. You know, we're federally mandated. Everyone has to wear their mask. It doesn't matter what state we're traveling in, you know, if that state doesn't have the mask mandate or not. When you're on the trains, it's federally mandated, so you gotta follow the rules. So it's funny, it also applies to people who partake in certain smoking activities, because man, I can smell them when they come in my cafe. Yeah, they're not supposed to be doing that on the train either. They could, not on the train, but you know, even on the platforms in the stations. But you know, obviously you can smell when it's on people. Like I can, at least, because I don't smoke. But yeah, federally mandated means you gotta follow the rules for the federal government. Okay, so it's actually, yeah, I'm gonna go in with this slightly smaller brush, this one right here. Same set Moda SM shader, so maybe small shader. I'm just gonna take that pink and then just layer it more so on my actual lid area. Not that I have much of a lid area, but and just make sure that that is blended more with the other layer I already put up. I think this eye is drier. It's either drier or there's more extra skin. And it's kind of annoying. Again, I have my mirror right here. Try and make it a little easier than holding a mirror, you know. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that looks cute. We got, it's like a monochromatic moment going on. Let's see what else. Ooh, you know what? Instead of using the yellow, I got this Dominique Cosmetics palette. Oh man. No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna stick with this. Okay, so I'm going to take this fluffier brush. This is a full blending brush. Should I use this? I don't know. This is LA Colors. You know, we see LA Colors in dollar stores, but I saw this in Meijer. I was like, oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. Okay. I'm just gonna take this brush and we're just experimenting. We're just gonna see what it looks like just on top. I'm just tapping this all over my lid. I don't know if you can exactly see that, but it's cute. Nice little springtime look. Yeah, no, that's cute. I could totally see that being very nice with that color from Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm just going to continue these same colors underneath. Not going to use anything else, just going to use the same colors. The pink and then maybe the yellow, and then I'll use that color for my inner corner. How about that? There we go, that'll work. My little doggo is snoring underneath me, well, sort of underneath and behind me. He's so cute. You might even be able to hear it. That's hilarious. It's so loud right now. Oh, I had a concern for a moment. I thought it might not have been recording. Wouldn't that be terrible? Okay. I'm just going to take this yellow and put it more towards my inner corners. Oh, okay, that's really cute. Actually, no, I'm not going to use the Dominique. Okay. I'm just going to try and put this in my inner corner. That is what I'm going to do. There we go. Smaller brush. Ooh, okay, yes. I'm going to wet it. Yes. We'll see what this does. Okay, got the stuff already on my brush. I'm going to wet it a little bit. Ooh, yes. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Fantastic. Same thing on the other side. That works really well when wet. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Great. Great, great, great. If only I had naturally long eyelashes. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on eyelashes, or I mean mascara, not eyelashes. No, we're on the tree. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. All I did was I put on my Laura Geller mascara. I use this, what is this? This is the Ulta Beauty and WandaVision eyeliner. Yeah, that's all I did. That's all I did. I'm not doing anything else. I'm really glad that the yellow works really great for the inner corner when you wet it up. I unfortunately hooded eyes, so I got a little black right there from putting on my mascara, but what are you gonna do? So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this little work look using the Natasha Denona 5-pan palette. This Jubilee palette from the BoxyCharm. Is this in the base box? Yeah, the BoxyCharm base box from April. Yes. Yeah, but yeah, I can't wait to play with this more, see how many looks I can actually get out of this. I think, I mean, myself included, we all have to realize you don't have to have like 10 eyeshadows on your lids to look good. You can have like a little monochromatic moment, or just, you know, one matte, one shimmer, good to go. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. And don't forget, I am a crazy ass and I upload every single day at 10 a.m. So I will talk to you later. Bye.